Hi, welcome back. My weight loss journey video tutorial number 3. Hopefully it's our weight loss journey. Uh, this time we're going to talk about food choices, better choices. I'm going to share with you the foods that I've been eating that's gotten me satisfaction and weight loss. That's been a double help. And I'm not starving. I'm eating more than enough, and it's more nutritionally balanced thanks to the app that we're using, the MyFitnessPal app that I shared with you. And by the way, I didn't share it last time, but when you set up that app, when you get it started, put in your goal, the goal that you want to reach, and put in all your different items like your weight, your age. All this is taken into consideration. So the amount of calories that I can eat are going to be different from you because of your height, your weight, your gender, everything. And you can go into that app even during the day. You can enter the meals ahead of time and then look and see, do I have the right amount of protein, or am I lacking there? How about fat content or the carbohydrates? Those show readily available. And you can also put in, let's say it's still breakfast, but you're thinking dinner time, I need more protein. Will this be better or will this be better? You can make better choices by putting it in the app, pretending that you've already eating it, and there it is. It can tell you, here's how it will change your percentages. So you've got 50% carbohydrates, 30% fat, and 20% protein. It'll show you. And if it doesn't go the right direction, say, hey, look, maybe I can make a better choice today and get a more balanced meal. You don't want to cut out calories altogether. Your body needs a certain amount of fat. It needs to have energy. It needs protein to rebuild from the workouts that you do, or even walking. If you've done no activity, some activity, your body still needs something to work with. So don't try to starve yourself and get your weight under control in a week. It didn't take you a week to put it on. It took time. It takes time to take it off. Do it in a healthy way so that you'll be healthy, you'll feel great, you'll feel the energy. I do. It's awesome. Okay, well, let's get this underway and get it started.
All right, let's talk about sandwiches. You use bread to make sandwiches. Most people know that wheat bread is better for you than white bread. So let's look at wheat bread. 70 calories, but notice it's only for one slice. So that's 140 calories to use 2 slices to make a sandwich. A choice that we made is called Sandwich Slims. We get them at Kroger's. It's 90 calories. They're in a bun shape. They're thinner than you're used to on a hamburger bun, but they still hold all the goods. 90 calories, so you're saving some calories right there. 90 calories, that's for a whole sandwich, 2 slices. So wheat bread, regular wheat bread versus Sandwich Slims, 140 calories versus 90. We're saving 50 calories right there to start our sandwich. Mayonnaise, I love mayonnaise. My wife loves Miracle Whip. There's better choices there too than that salad dressing. But real mayonnaise, this one is 90 calories per serving. You can go a couple ways. You can improve that with olive oil mayo. Can't taste the difference, it's still good. And it's down to 60 calories. And then there's avocado mayo, only 45 calories. I had someone that watched some of our videos here on the journey, saw me at Walmart and said, I can't taste the difference. I think it tastes better. So 90 calories versus 45. So we're already saving a lot on our sandwich right there. All right, water. Water is what we should be drinking. You're drinking soda, 250 calories for this bottle of Pepsi. That's a lot of calories and sugar. Lower, if you can't handle the water, would be the low-calorie Gatorade. We're looking at 50 calories here, and it's got some potassium and still sugars in it, but some electrolytes as well. Black coffee, 3 calories per cup. It's the creamers you got to watch out for. There's unsweet tea, which is good, 0 calories, but then there's unsweet green tea that actually will help increase your metabolism, 0 calories as well. So some flavored things that's good for you if you can't do water. If you got a weakness for snacks like me, I love these Nutty Buddies, but you're looking at 330 calories. Or I also love these Pop-Tarts, the cookies and cream, that little twin pack that you open up and put in the toaster, 380 calories. Nighttime is my weakness, so I like to snack. So here we go. Chocolate brownie protein bar, 5 grams of fiber, 11 grams of protein, and only 180 calories. In a hurry, need to microwave your food? Here's some healthy choices. Microwaves up fast, taste delicious, portion down, and good. So quick and good, and you're gonna like things that I don't like, and I'm gonna like things you don't like. Mac and cheese, a lot of calories in there versus green beans. There's lots of choices you can make. I like both. I could eat either one, but why not make a better choice? And if you want to splurge like this 600 calorie salmon, you can do that, but just watch what you do for breakfast and lunch, and then you can do your big dinner. So there's lots of choices. Here's some of the things that I've been eating. You can have fun and discover them with your MyFitnessPal app. You can scan them right at the grocery store. Hey, I like this. And look, it's lower calories. It's got more of this that I need, more of this that I want to find, more protein. And so you can make these choices. So it's up to you. If you have a weakness for certain things and you want to eat those calories, do it. But watch your progress and what you eat in the other days. We love a local pizza here, Cajun Cork. It's great. And you can do a hamburger with no bun. You know, if you've got a grill out and a hamburger and hot dogs, you can put some jalapeno mustard on those and dress them up and get a fork. You know, who needs the bun to hold it necessarily? So you can save on that. Yet your Sandwich Slim saves you there. So anyway, there you have it. I'll see you in the next video.